Hello friends, thanks for your trust in Geoguk. Happy New Year. At present, I'm in one of our production workshop. Affected by the outbreak of the coronavirus, the Chinese government responded quickly. The government of the production department of Geoguk extended the Spring Festival 1 week. The local government ordered the gradual resumption of production from the February 10th. At present, you can see our workers with the safe gas is under working. So you can see everything goes well. Hello, my friends. At present, I'm in one of our showroom. You can see at present we have many products in store. Everything goes well. Please rest assured that we will continue to supply the high quality products and service. Hello, my friend. At present, I'm in one of our showroom for the final products. You can see some cargo is ready for delivery.